welcome to our channel. My name is Ehsan, and I'll try to explain some trivial problems that people may face when they're starting new with Laravel. So the first thing we will do is to install Laravel via Composer. I'm already in Laravel's website, and as you can see, the command is written already there to how to install Laravel through Composer. So the rest of them is command for installing the Laravel, except the example app, which is the project name. So we will try and type that and see how it goes. There are some of the things which mistakes, which I will try to fix, and I do it deliberately so we can learn from it. The first thing is that this will install Laravel at the root of my computer, which I don't want to. I want to install it in my in a folder or in the main coding folder called sites. So I can either do it by going into the site directory, or I can prefix this AM, which is my folder for, which is my project name, and prefix it with sites. And that's it. It should install Laravel for us. And here we go. Right. And it is almost done. Yeah, so let's see how it looks. You can see that if I go to my sites, and you can see the project that has been created, which is, I called it AM. And now let's go and see it in the browser. Right, so it has brought us to here, which, shows us the other directories as well. The other annoying thing is that, having a public in my URL, which is annoying, and most of the developers, they don't want this public folder in their URL. So let's try and learn how to remove that one as well. But before that, I want to show you how to open your editor in Terminal, or I use iTerm as well, or how to link it to your terminal. I use Visual Studio Code, and you may be using Sublime or anything else, but it's quite simple. I'll show you how to do it in Visual Studio Code first. So let's see first if we try to, we have tried it once to open it with code. As it's not linked, it's giving me an error. Command not found. So this is very easy one. So let's go to our Visual Studio first. And if we type Command Shift P, this will bring a little input box, which you can then type shell command and install, and you can choose the first one, and simple as that, it is installed. Now you can open your code editor in not all the code editors, actually just the Visual Studio Code in your iTerm, which I think is handy when you're coding, because you don't want to be looking for the the folders and files to find a Visual Studio Code while you're coding. So let's see and try to open it again. So in my terminal, let's go to my sites and my project. And let's see. Right, cool. So it has opened my project. Now we're trying to, let's try and remove the public folder from the URL as well. The easiest way, which I try, is create an htaccess file and just basically direct it that the root is the public folder. So let's do that. So let's create first the htaccess file. And just, I have already got the code, so I'm not going to waste your time. You can always pause and read the code for the htaccess file if you want to. It's pretty basic, and that should remove the public from the URL as well. And let's try it. Let's try and remove the public from the URL. Let's see it works. Yep, and it does. I hope you have enjoyed them and learned something quickly from our lesson. And if you've enjoyed it, just give us a like. And we hope to see you again in the next lesson. We will try and to integrate React with our Laravel, and that would be a quick lesson as well. So hope to see you again. Thank you for listening and watching our videos.